Hello, my name is Joshua Knapp. Thank you for being here today. What happens when you pour liquid urethane, otherwise known as rubber, into a waffle iron? On a lazy Oregon morning in 1971, Bill Bowerman, a track and field coach, did just that. What came out of the waffle iron was not only a broken waffle iron, but the beginnings of Nike and a shoe, which according to Statistica today profits the company $4 billion annually. Since this first design, Nike has continued to improve the running line of shoes, and with each new model, performance and speed increase. As a runner, I know that good shoes are important to success. When buying new running shoes, I often look at the technology they incorporate and how comfortable the shoes are, which is exactly what Nike looks at when they make running shoes. Today, I'll take you through the history of Nike running shoes and how this first model, made from a waffle iron, evolved into the high-performance sneakers we see today. This original moon shoe was highly successful in performance and the commercial market, and was followed by slight modifications that kept improving speed and performance. What made the shoe successful, Nike said, was its unique outsole that improved grip and balance. Julian Rubinstein, an author for Rolling Stone magazine, writes that Steve Prefontaine became the first athlete to wear this moon shoe in competition, in a deal worth $5 million. Then, wearing this shoe, Steve Prefontaine broke every U.S. record from 2K to 10K meters. In 1974, Nike launched this shoe, rebranded as the Waffle Trainers, to the public. According to Mina Kimes, a business sports journalist for CNN Money, the shoe quickly became a top-selling running shoe. As one news article reports from the time, quote, if you're going to take jogging seriously, make the investment in good sneakers now. Buy Nike Waffle Trainers, end quote. Then these shoes became the base for which Nike improved upon. In 1980, full-length air bubbles were introduced by the Nike Mariahs. This air bubble increased cushion and comfort to runners, and it increased performance by reducing energy expenditure by 2%, according to Nike. Then in 1983, the Pegasus introduced a heel-only air unit, which reduced shock absorption by 12%, according to Runner's World editor Kate Carter. According to Nike's website, quote, Pegasus has since become an industry standard with production, spanning almost 4 decades. It alone routinely outperforms sales volumes of most of our competitors' elite lines, end quote. Air bubbles are still used today, as seen in Nike's current best running shoe, the Nike Alpha Flies. After the air bubble, Nike focused its attention on reducing weight of its shoes. In 1995, the Air Streaks added tensile fibers to the air unit that, as stated by Nike, provided better responsiveness and comfort for a great ride. In 2009, the Zoom Streak 3s consolidated the upper mesh into one piece that improved breathability while also reducing weight. In 2012, the Nike Flyknits introduced a lightweight yarn fabric that can be micro-engineered to provide extra support where needed, allowing the uppers to be cut from one piece of fabric and reducing waste by over 60%. It was thought that once shoes reached minimal weight, performance optimization would be complete. However, in the last decade, significant innovations and modifications have changed the running shoe game, and improvements in performance and comfortability continue to develop. The current Nike Vaporflies and Alpha Flies incorporate loads of technology and testing to optimize performance and accommodate maximum human capabilities. In 2017, the revolutionary Nike Vaporfly 4% incorporated this carbon fiber technology. This technology was later improved by the Nike Alpha Flies. This carbon plate allowed runners to move more than 4% more efficiently, as found by numerous academic studies. Then, the carbon plate was introduced in track spikes with the Air Zoom Dragonflies, Air Zoom Victories, and Air Zoom Max Flies. According to a magazine, Sports Medicine, which reports on athletics, every women's and men's record from 5K to marathon has been broken using carbon fiber technology. In addition, this technology is so good that many consider it to be a form of technological doping. In 2020, World Athletics had to publish new rules stating that, quote, soles cannot exceed 40 millimeters in thickness and cannot contain more than one piece of carbon fiber or other rigid material in the form of a plate, end quote. These rules mirrored substance doping laws. In addition, the 2019 Eliud Kipchoge sub 2-hour marathon world record in using alpha flies was considered invalid by many. For comparison, the previous record was over 3 minutes slower. Today, Nike continues to work to improve the capabilities of shoes for runners. Nike says its goal is to, quote, empower those who push the limits of human potential, end quote. Researchers at Nike use the LeBron James Innovation Center to study and adapt to human biomechanics and running behaviors and patterns. The company continues to recruit elite athletes and to aid in its mission to push the boundaries of human capabilities. In conclusion, Nike has been a leader in running shoe technology, and its innovations throughout the last 50 years have shown this. In the beginning, a waffle iron inspired Nike's first iteration of a shoe, which was later improved upon with air bubbles and a breathable mesh. Today, carbon fiber technology is central to developing shoes that have broken and continue to break world records. Nike is proof that barriers are meant to be broken, and innovation can continue to push the human species beyond its capabilities. Thank you.